Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinite Division platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 26th August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first. What equal length of an iron wire and a copper nickel alloy wire, each of 2 mm diameter, connected in parallel to give an equivalent resistance of 3 ohm? So you have to connect the two iron as well as nickel and copper alloy wire parallelly, so that the equivalent resistance comes out to be 3 ohm. Okay, and also the resistivity of iron and copper is also given to you, which is 12 micro ohm and micro ohm centimeter, and here it is 51 micro ohm centimeter. Okay, so this much of resistance, this much of resistivity has been given to you. Now these two are connected in parallel. Eventually you have to get the effective resistance of 3 ohm. So what is resistance of the first wire? Let it be R1, so it would be equivalent to rho resistivity of iron, which is this much, rho L. Since both the lengths, let both lengths of them is, let it be L, and their diameter is also same, so their area would also be same, don't you think? Its length, let it be L, and area would be, let it be A. So what is R2? So R2 must be equal to rho copper nickel, so let it be C. Let this resistivity be C, and which is 51 micro ohm centimeter. Okay, rho L, and length of this wire is also L and divided by A, and area is also A, which is similar to the first wire because both are having same diameter and the length is also similar. So once they are connected in parallel, the parallel combination of these two resistance must be equal to, so this effective resistance, which is 3, must be equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Okay, so we'll be putting the values now. So R1 is rho I L by A, rho C L by A divided by rho I L by A plus rho C L by A. Okay, if I'll take out L by A from the expression, so you'll be getting 3 must be equal to rho I rho C L by A, and here rho I plus rho C can be added up. Okay, and eventually the value of length that we can get is, so L must be equal to 3A rho I plus rho C divided by rho I. Okay, 3 times of A, so rho I and rho C. So this much of equation that we have got. What is area? What is area of both of it? Okay, we already know that. Okay, so we have to find out the length as well as what we have been given. Okay, so this has already been given to us. So rho I and rho I has been given to you, rho C has been given to you. Okay, and also the diameter of the wire, each wire is 2 millimeter. So if diameter is 2 millimeter, so the radius would be 1 millimeter, so it can be converted into meter. So this we are getting, so it would be equivalent to 3 times of pi r square. So this much of radius was there, so let it be pi r square, so it would be rho I plus rho C divided by rho I plus rho C. Now put the values. Putting the values, we'll be getting 3 into 3.14 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. Rho I is 12 centimeters, so it has to be converted into ohm meter. Okay, don't you think it has to be converted into ohm meter because it's been given in this much form. So rho I is 12 micro ohm centimeter, so it would be equivalent to 12 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 centimeter. So centimeter has to be converted into meter, so it would again would be 10 to the power minus 2, so you'll be getting 12 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter. Okay, so also the value of rho c also comes out to be 51 into 10 to the power minus 5 ohm meter. So this much of values you'll be getting. Now you have to put the values, because this value as well as this value, okay, it was whole square, so radius whole square, okay, whole square of 10 raised to power minus 3 plus this as well as this readings. You can easily put the values and get the answer. Okay, but remember one thing, first of all you have to convert this ohms micro ohm centimeter into ohm meter. Micro is 10 to the power minus 6 and centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, so here it was micro, so it would be 10 to the power minus 6, not minus 3, no, it's not milli, so it would be equal to 10 to the power minus 8, 6, 7, 8. Here also it would be 10 to the power minus 8. Okay, rest everything is clear. You have to just put it in the values so that you can get the value of length. Okay, so length value after putting it, you will be getting as 97 meter. So I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.